Okay, we are live. No preamble, nothing. We're late, so we're just getting going. Let me get the Zoom room open.
What's up, brother?
Hey, Tono.
How you been, man?
All right, how have you been?
I was out of it a couple of days, man.
Yeah, you feeling okay?
My eyes are just getting worse and worse, man.
Oh no.
You know, the first couple of days, just these drops work, but now it's horrible, man. I had my wife put in some trades from last night for me because I knew I wasn't gonna be able to see in the morning,
Yeah.
and they all paid out, so I'm okay with that. You know,
Okay,
I had a
good.
really good. I actually did better than not trading. I did better trading the pendings than I've done in a long time.
Right.
You know, I did like almost 1,800 on them.
Wow.
You know,
Well, that's the
yeah,
way. That's the way you should trade all the time.
yeah, but you know what, man? It's not. It doesn't allow me to sleep well
Yeah.
because I can't go to sleep because I'm thinking, did I do it right? You know what I mean?
Right.
Like,
Right.
you
Yeah.
know.
What's
I actually did
Go ahead.
check. I did 2,800 this morning.
Oh, nice.
Okay?
That's great.
That was three pending orders. It takes you out of it takes your emotions out of the equation, which is
Yeah.
just numbers at that point. It's either
Yeah.
you're in and you're out, you're in and you're out,
Right.
you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
But the problem is when I have them in, I don't get to a deep sleep because I'm worried, what's up?
Right. Yeah.
How'd you do the last couple of days?
No, not great. I am so. Well, all right. Getting back to normal.
I see the resistance on the 1 minute. I'm not really sure where. I think it's at the. I guess it's 4,600. I assume it is.
Jeez. You trading? You trying to trade any of this?
I'm waiting for it to just get a little bit further up, like right about now. Maybe I'll take it. Let me see.
We got the
Take a buy
DM4.
here.
Got the DM4 coming up too.
All right.
I mean, we got a few. We got a few pips, but before it
What
gets
is the
there,
damn for?
I have it about 4607 and
Okay.
4608. 4608.
make sure it's clearing this 4600 because it keeps snapping back like a magnet to it.
Yeah.
Put a pending in to take it up to 4620 if it happens overnight.
Where's your pending to get in?
I'm getting in now.
Oh. And you're just going to leave it running overnight?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it running overnight. I think it's going to hopefully it'll pay out. If not, it'll. Sugar.
What makes you think, what's telling you that it's going to do that?
If you, how can I describe it best? Let's see if I can figure it out. Better way to explain it to you. Let me just try and grab this thing real quick. You know what? I use my 15-minute chart over here. Hold on a second. Okay, so I don't know if you could see this. You probably don't have the point of control. Where's your point of control at right now?
Right around 45.56.
45. So mine is at 45.1970,
Okay.
right? And that's where I'm basing it off of, that it's going to come back to that area. And if you go back to Friday, May
Oh,
1st.
wait. I thought you said you put in a buy.
Yeah, I did.
So you mean 46.19?
Yeah, 46. What did I say? 45?
Yeah.
Yeah, 46.19. 40. It's basically I rounded up to 20,
Okay.
right? 46.20. So at least I'm thinking it's going to get there. If you look at the 1 hour the 1 hour chart,
Yeah.
the wick almost got up there. I got a breaker structure blocking the wick, but it almost touched it. But if you go back a couple of days, that's where it took it to.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, it opened at Sunday
So you
at 6
have,
o'clock.
so you're comfortable putting in a buy and going to bed, and you have between your target and where you are now, you have the DM4 and the WPP and the, I guess not the DRT. The DRT is above it, but you have the DM4 and the WPP.
Yeah, I'm a little uncomfortable with both of those, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm more comfortable with the because if I'm seeing this right, the WPP is like 46.18,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
And if you look back on the red candles, about I can't count how many because I can only see it blurs, but if you look back on the red candles, you see how on the end of that WPP, how
Mm-hmm.
those 1, 2, 3, 4 candles kind of hugged it,
Yeah.
right? They would be in that 420, 420, 430 area,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Um, so I'm thinking it's going to at least wick up there, if not break it completely.
Hmm.
I wouldn't be
Okay.
uncomfortable with it, you
Right.
know.
Yeah.
With this, I like this indicator, that's this point of control indicator, because it's a fluctuating one. So I think it's going to, I think it even, I mean, we are going up, you know what I mean? There's
Mm-hmm.
no
Mm-hmm.
question. So I'm looking at 4620 would be the resistance at that point. And I wouldn't, the next one would be 4640,
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not going to stretch it that much because even from where I'm at, I'm still 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 times 50. I'm still $1,000 up. So I'm not mad at that. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
At least I would be $1,000 up. So I wouldn't be mad at it. I'd be pissed if I wake up in the morning and it stopped at the WPP.
Right.
You know, actually, I should play it safe and actually bring it down to the WPP just to be safe. I think I'll do that. You just convinced me
Hmm.
without telling me. I didn't really see the WPP because I'm looking at 18. All right, 2 pips under. That's not bad. I'm not too mad at that.
All right. Sure.
I'm already 182 up on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
I could take that and just put another trade in, and I'll still be okay. Matter of fact, maybe I'll do that. Let me think about it. Don't want to get back in. I think I'll just leave it. So I'm 190. No, I'll take it. It's $200. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the next pivot?
We're at the DM4 at 4608.
I'm gonna put a new order in at 4609. Okay, I'll just get it. Do it. Oh,
We're right at the DM4 right now.
I got in under it.
Mm.
I could have waited, but I just didn't. Now it seems to be consolidating.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 91 on the new trade.
Nice.
2 pips.
Yeah.
You don't have to be that right when you're trading large lot sizes.
we're at this, kind of resistance zone here.
I can't see your screen.
Oh. On the 1 minute,
Takanashi.
Takanashi, yeah.
Yeah, I see it now. That's the thing. I was at almost $95 on it. And I saw it go from 95 down to 17, back up to 95. So would it have been better for me to just take 95, got back in it, took it back up again? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
As opposed to just staying in it,
yeah. That's,
you know?
I second guess myself with that sort of thing all the time.
It's like I could have made more money jumping in and out than I could have, and
Yeah, by just holding. Yeah,
just by holding. Like I'm $112, $20. Should I
yeah.
take this $120? What is that? 10? I'll take the 120, 111. Now I'll get back in, and I'll take it up to 18 to 46.18. I'm not gonna like give away money.
You taking it back up now?
Yeah, I'm taking it back up to 46.18. If I'm lucky, it'll do it for me overnight or before the session. It's only 8 pips to go.
Yeah, but we got some resistance here on the 1 minute and the 5 minute and the 15 minute. So, how is one to know when it's okay to break those rules and, put a trade in overnight, and when not to take the trade because the resistance is right there telling us not to?
I think it's I think first of all it has to do with what happened the last couple of days, how low it dropped, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's got to make that back up, right? It's got to make that back up. So, and the fact that it's been crawling back up tells me that I don't really think we're going back down, even though we can. Like right now, support is probably around, I would say 45.60,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then the next one maybe 45.10. But I feel more comfortable being a bull right now, going up to that point of control at 46.19. I put it under because of the weekly pivot at 18, and I think I'm comfortable sleeping on that. Now I wake up in the morning, I could be 100% wrong, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But if you had to look at a chart right now, if you looked at your 1 minute chart, your 5 minute chart, your 15 minute chart, right,
Mm-hmm.
and even your 1 hour chart, we're in a bull market right now. You know,
Yeah, my 1 hour chart says we're in a bear market, but yeah.
your 1 hour chart says you're in a bear market.
Yeah.
Hold on a second. How does that say that?
If I'm looking at Trading View and I have my linear regression channel on, it's a downward channel.
But look at the candles, though.
Well, I guess it depends on how far back you measure it. But if you go back to
Yeah.
a
Let me
week
put a
ago
linear
Sunday.
regression line on. Let me just put a linear regression line on and see what we're looking at. Hold on a second. What's that thing called? What's it called? Linear regression by who?
Linear regression channel.
Chart Prime?
Probably. Hang on. Linear
Why don't I see
regression.
it anymore?
It's called linear regression channel. I don't think it's by Chart Prime.
Oh, I found this by a Lawson something.
Yeah.
Got him. Yeah, I see it's actually pointing downward. But all right, even though the channel is pointing downward, count back how many candles,
Yeah.
and they're all going except for that little blue section there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yep.
It's weird because on my FTMO challenge, the spreads are going from like 30 to 90.
Oh wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna call it. I don't need to do anything more for tonight. I want to be clean for tomorrow.
All
Hopefully,
right.
this lets me out of my MetaTraders without any problems. You
Right.
know,
Right. All
I'll
right.
be on at 7:30. For what time you going?
7:45, just a little bit before 8.
All right, cool.
Okay.
I'll be on.
I'll see you then.
All right, brother.
All right. Bye bye.
Peace.
Got in too early without confirmation, and now I'm paying the price. Doesn't have anywhere to go, so if it gets me a tiny bit out, I'm gonna take the ride out. I'm just gonna, you know, there are better trades. There are better trades than having to sit in this. Come right on back for me here. Come on, there we go. Just not, let's not belabor it. Let's not belabor it. That was a break even. And now we're going right into WPP, so again, I get FOMO and I get upset that I missed the trade, but it's not me. It's not me. These aren't my trades. Go the fuck down. I'm trying to say. Go the fuck down. Go. Come on. Why am I messing with it? You got this. I can't get on the right side of the market tonight. Need to not belabor this. Take it. I'd take like 12 bucks on that, but I'm going to call that a break even just because not proud at all of how I'm trading tonight. This is my, what is it? Fourth session of the week. All right, I guess that's it. I think we're gonna call it here. We're gonna be done trading for now.